In this video, we're going to take a look at finding the absolute value of a complex number. We've got the definition here as the distance from the origin on the complex number plane. And in general, we're going to use the formula of the absolute value of a plus bi is going to be equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So if we are attempting to find the absolute value of 3 minus 4i, our a number is going to be 3, our b number is going to be -4. So then we're going to use our formula, a squared plus b squared, square root. Okay, so replacing a with 3, we'll have a 3 squared. Replacing b with a -4, we'll have a -4 squared. We'll have the square root then of 9 plus 16. Square root of 9 plus 16 is going to be square root of 25, which is going to give us an answer of 5. So the absolute value of our complex number 3 minus 4i is going to be 5. All right, looking at this one over here, I don't have an a term, I only have a b term. So using the formula square root a squared plus b squared, we'll plug in 0 for a, that'll be 0 squared, plus 5 squared. All right, again, underneath there, we'll have a square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So the absolute value of 5i is also 5. But just two real quick examples here showing you how to find the absolute value of a complex number. It's a matter of using the square root a squared plus b squared. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.